Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope 2020 is going great so far for everybody. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the BoxyCharm February Premium Box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also hit your subscribe button, make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my review of the Amazing Beauty hair extensions. Congratulations, Amber Marino. Amber says, yay! I'm excited too, Amber. I love them things. They're just so soft. I swear they are. I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey, and thank you so much for being first. I really appreciate that, and I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first I'm going to show you just a regular old spoiler. Now I don't know if this is going to be a variant or not, but again, this is for the BoxyCharm Premium February box. So the first thing is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Now that is valued at $28. Now the next 2 items I got for you was choice items. Now today I know they had some choice options. I posted it up on my channel, so I don't know how many of you seen it. So tomorrow will be for the all the other active members. So the first choice item was the SelfTaught Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. You could have either chose that or the next thing is the Carroty Peak. Y'all, I don't know how to say that, but it's an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put it right here. I've done said it wrong like 15 times. I doubt I kept it in this video, but trust me, I said it wrong like a bunch of times. But anyways, those are the choice items. Now if you did not choose, you will be receiving one of those items. They will choose for you if you didn't. So, surprise. But you know, some people like surprises, so anyways, but as soon as they come out with anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Now y'all, I hope I don't butcher this, but if I do apologize. Congratulations. I think it's Mariah the Concrete Kid. Anyways, Mariah says, wow, I take a mini vacation and you get 12,000 subscribers. Well deserved. Well, thank you, Mariah, and welcome back, honey. I'm glad to see you again. I hope your 2020 is going amazing, girl, and I really appreciate you coming back, because next time I'll have to tie you up and just keep you on my channel and not let you take a vacation. Anyways, thank you so much. I love you, girl. Guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.